Hey there! Today I'm going to share something that has completely transformed how I use Claude AI and how you can too. Have you ever felt like AI responses are just generic, like they're missing that special something that makes them truly useful for your specific situation? What if I told you there was a simple framework that can fix that problem in under 10 minutes? Yeah, under 10 minutes. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you got a truly personalized response from AI that felt like it really got you, like it was inside your own mind, that it understood your goals, your voice, and what you're actually trying to achieve? If you're like most people, the answer is probably rarely or never, or occasionally, if at all. And here's the thing, AI is incredibly powerful at pattern recognition. It's a master of it. But most people don't give it the right patterns to recognize in the first place. So I've developed a framework called the Power Positioning Statement and Soul Data. It's really simple and it solves this exact problem. And today I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works, show you a live demonstration with Claude AI, and explain why this method is a total game changer. I don't say that word often because I don't like it, but a game changer for anyone who wants to get more value from their interaction with AI. Here's what we're going to cover today. What the Power Positioning Statement and Soul Data Framework is, the exact prompt that I use, which you can copy, I'll put a link to it in the comments, a live demonstration of the prompt in action with Claude AI, and then how to use your results to get dramatically better AI responses moving forward. Before we dive in, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos on maximizing your ability to co-create with AI. So what exactly is the Power Positioning Statement and Soul Data Framework? In simplest terms, it's a structured process that helps you to clearly define who you are, who you help, how you serve them, and what makes your approach unique. I use a framework from branding, a positioning statement formula. I am A, I help B to do C with D. I am Colin Scotland, an AI marketing coach. I help coaches, entrepreneurs, visionary leaders to leverage AI in order to amplify their impact. I am A, I help B to do C with D. Simple. But it goes deeper than that. The soul data part captures your personality, your purpose, and your passions, the things that make you distinctively you. When you feed this information into Claude AI, you're essentially giving it a blueprint of who you are. It's a master of pattern recognition, remember? So this allows the AI to pattern match against this blueprint in future conversations. What does it mean? It means that every response is going to be much more aligned with you, your authentic self, who you truly are. Think of it like creating a custom trained version of Claude that understands your specific needs without any actual technical training required. No tech skills are needed for this except to follow along and copy and paste the prompt, which I'm going to share with you too. So let me start by sharing the exact prompt I use, and don't worry, you're going to be able to grab a copy of this in the description below. The prompt has three main sections. First, the power positioning statement, which follows the structure I am A, I help B to do C with D. And then second, the soul data section. This is where you define your personality traits and communication style, your purpose, why do you do what you do, your passions, what energizes and excites you, and finally the AI instructions section, where Claude will help you to create personalized instructions you can then use in future conversations. It's meta, isn't it? We're using AI to create content that we can then feed into the AI about us so that it knows us better. It's really powerful. The beauty of this prompt is that Claude doesn't just ask for this information. It will guide you through a series of thoughtful questions to help you articulate these elements with clarity and depth. So let's see it in action. I'm going to copy and paste this prompt into Claude and show you what happens in real time. So I've just thought into the AI here, essentially sharing the essence of what I do and who I am. So my invitation to you as you do this for yourself is to just think in to the tool. I am da-da-da. I love to do this. I like to do that. And then this will give you a beginnings of a power positioning statement. I am a transformational AI strategist and marketing coach with expertise in blending technology and spiritual wisdom. So you can see it's giving me a power positioning statement. And now we're moving on to step 2, which is our soul data, personality, purpose, and passion. So how would your closest friends describe your communication style? What problem in the world are you most driven to solve? What are your passions? So here we can just go to town sharing all of those things that are meaningful to you. This is where you can give the AI those patterns. And what this does, it's going to just not accept your surface level answers. It's going to push you to think more deeply about what makes your work distinctive. And this is an example of how we use the AI as that thinking partner. So look how Claude is helping me to refine my positioning statement, make it more specific, and make it more impactful. This process alone is so valuable because it gives you a real clarity on your work. And the soul data section just focuses on the personality traits, purpose, and passions that make you you. This is a blueprint for you. So AI gets to look inside of you and understand those things that are important. Because it's a master of pattern recognition, that will be reflected in the outputs. And so the goal is that you've got text that you can copy and paste into the AI for future conversations. You can upload it into projects. You can have it in a text file. You can just copy and paste it in, but you're giving AI that information about you. And this is where the real magic happens. So here you can see my finished output of power positioning statement. I am, I help, to, with. And that is massively powerful and really reflective of who I am. My invitation and my goal for you is that you get a version of this that is reflective of who you are. And then we go that level deeper with soul data. So this is my personality, my purpose, and my passions. And then Claude here has created optimized AI instructions that we can copy. And then as we start a new chat, we can paste this into the chat to give AI that pattern recognition at the beginning. So now we can say, task, I would like to explore business growth strategies for my online AI community, unlimited.coach. So now that pattern recognition becomes a constant that we put into the AI in every conversation. The reason this is different is because now it understands everything about me. Already, you see here, it's baking into this all of the things that are important to me. It's a personalized response to me. It's massively different to if I was to just ask for help with growth strategies for my online AI community. No matter how good I am at prompt engineering, and that's just a very simple prompt as an example, but no matter how good I am, it's never anywhere near as good as when we give it power positioning statement and soul data. Makes all of the difference. It uses my specific terminology, aligns with my values and my approach. It avoids things that I say I don't want, and it feels like it was written specifically for me. This is the difference of this approach. This is the power of giving Claude the right patterns to recognize. You're essentially creating a shortcut to better, more personalized responses without having to explain yourself over and over again. So there you have it, the power positioning statement and soul data framework for getting dramatically better results from Claude AI. You can use this process in any LLM, large language model. You can use it in Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, Grok, DeepSeek, whatever tickles your fancy. It's all good. And just to recap, we covered that this framework helps you to clearly define who you are, who you help, and how you serve. The structured prompt guides you through articulating these elements with depth and clarity, and the resulting personalized instructions just transform how Claude responds to you. The difference is night and day, and it becomes a beautiful virtuous cycle where every interaction is that much more valuable for you. So as a thinking partner, as co-intelligence, the AI is infinitely more useful. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and share this video with someone who could benefit from it. Drop a comment below if you've got any questions, or share your own power positioning statement Introduce yourself in one breath. Hey Colin, I am A, I help B to do C with D. What is that? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to download the prompt from the description and check out our other videos to maximize your productivity with AI tools to change the world through your work, leveraging AI in order to do that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.